Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. When you have a boat, you just want to be able to enjoy your time on the water. So I love that Better Boat has come up with this cleaning kit that makes it so much easier to clean your boat. And then that way, you can just think about the time on the water.
The first step was the vinyl cleaner that comes with its own microfiber cloth. It was so easy, you just sprayed it on, let it sit for 30 seconds, and it easily wiped. But if there was some more difficult stains, then you would spray it on, leave it for a good minute, and then wipe it. And what I really liked is you didn't have to really get down and scrub. All you had to do is just easily wipe it off. And I really liked how you could use this cleaner on a variety of surfaces. And then, as you can see afterwards, it really does the job. And then it also comes with a vinyl protectant with its own microfiber cloth. What's great is that not only does it condition it, but it protects the material from the UV rays, and then it gives it a beautiful high gloss finish. And to top it off, it comes with these boat cleaning wipes that you can use in between cleanings. It's great because then you can remove the salt spray from the water.
So if you just want to enjoy your time on the water and not have to worry about cleaning so much, save time, I highly recommend this, and that is just my point of view.